Welcome, my beautiful viewers and subscriber. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and for today, guys, I am going to prepare some oven roast chicken leg with some chili pineapple sauce. So follow me on that one here. So over here, guys, I have my chicken leg or drumstick as they call it, all washed nice and clean. Over here I have all of my ingredients. I have some onion powder, some garlic powder, I have some cayenne pepper, I have some smoked paprika, pinch of black pepper, I have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, I have some Maggi chicken seasoning. Right here I have some baking powder, some cornstarch, and I have some blend up green seasoning. Over here, guys, I have all of my ingredients for my pineapple sweet sauce. So I have some chopped up pineapple. I already have some blend pineapple. This is the pineapple juice. I have some minced garlic, some minced ginger, lime juice, and I have some vinegar and sugar. We call this granulated sugar or just white sugar. And here I'm going to use some cornstarch also for my sauce. So guys, now I'm going to go in and get started on to season up my chicken leg. So here I'm going to use some onion powder, some garlic salt, a bit of black pepper, pinch of black pepper I should say, some Maggi chicken seasoning, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I like it spicy. Some smoked paprika, guys, and my green seasoning. So now I'm gonna rub everything in. Look at this, guys.
That into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Smell amazing. Ensuring that every piece get all this goodness right here. So guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of my pineapple juice on the chicken. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my baking powder. Guys, to be honest with you, I am just eyeballing everything. I don't have a measurement for really nothing, so. Oh, wow. Now I'm going to add these onto my tray right here. Look how beautiful this look. Smells so good. Smell amazing. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and spray on some avocado oil for extra crispiness. So guys, I am going to go ahead and get my sauce started. So guys, now I am going to add my pineapple juice, my ginger, garlic, some lemon or lime juice, whichever one you have at home, some vinegar, and my sugar, white sugar. I'm gonna stir everything in. So guys, I'm going to add up some chopped up onion and some chili flakes. I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to add some water. Give it a nice stir. You can smell the pineapple, the ginger, and the garlic, and the onion. Smell awesome. This sauce, pineapple chili sauce, is coming on so nicely. I cannot wait for my oven roast chicken leg to finish so I can have it with this sauce. Look at this, guys. So guys, I'm going to leave it to finish simmer down, so don't go anywhere. So guys, look at my pineapple chili sauce. And for this sauce as well, guys, if you want to add honey, you can go ahead. Look how nice this sauce look. Wow, tastes amazing. So now, guys, now that my sauce is finished, I'm going to turn my stove off. Guys, look at my drumstick. They're coming on. Look at that. Lovely. Beautiful. I can't wait to taste my drumstick with my pineapple chili sauce. Beautiful.
Much later.
Check in, guys. Come and look at my oven roast chicken leg with my pineapple chili sauce. Guys, this smells so nice and I know it tastes amazing too. You guys really need to try this at home. It's very easy. So just watch my video, give it a like, share and comment, and tell a friend if you tell a friend. I'd like to big up my, before I close out, I'd like to big up my big brother. Big up yourself, big bro. Love you, safe travel. All the journey from one state to another. See you soon. Guys, remember, we say Jamaica. See you on the next video. Bye.